If you like our free reading lessons, please support us. Subscribe for free and like us. Please visit www.readingrescuers.com to purchase great teacher and student reading t-shirts and digital letter flashcard. Interested in supporting our free reading lessons? Visit here to support us. We greatly appreciate it. https://buymeacoffee.com/readingrescuers. Welcome to lesson number 75, Consonant Blend, CR, Word, We. Hello. First, let's listen for words that have the same beginning sound. Ready? Here we go. Do the words crab and crumb start with the same beginning sound? Yes, they do. Good work. Now, let's listen for syllables in words. How many syllables do you hear in the word crumble? Tap the syllables out on your fingers. Yes, the word crumble has 2 syllables. Great work. Now, it's time to practice our letters and sounds. First, let's review our letters from earlier lessons. Please say the name of these letters. FR. Great job. What sound do the letters FR make? Good job. Say the names of these letters. BL. Great job. What sound do the letters BL make?
B.
Good job. Say the name of these letters. D, R. Great job. What sound do the letters D, R make?
D.
Great work. Now, let's learn our new letters for today. This is the consonant blend, CR. CR makes this sound. Listen for this sound in the word crab. Crab. Do you hear the sound in the beginning or end of the word? Yes, you hear the sound in the beginning of the word crab. Good job. Let's say our new letter and sound again. CR. The letters CR make this sound. Good job. Now let's listen to the sound and write the matching letter in the air with our finger. Ready? Here we go. Please make sure that you wrote your letters like this. Good work. Now let's listen to another sound and write the matching letter on the palm of our hand with our finger.
D.
Please make sure that you wrote your letters like this. Good job! Now let's listen to the sound and write the matching letter in the air with our finger. Ready? Here we go. Please make sure that you wrote your letter like this. Now, let's practice reading heart words that we have already learned. B. Them. Or. Went. Here is our heart word for today. We. Let's use the word in a sentence. We are going there. Let's listen to the sounds in the word, we. W. E. How many sounds do you hear? You hear 2 sounds in the word, we. Way to go! The first sound is the letter W that we have already learned. The second sound is the long E sound made by the letter E that we will learn in a later lesson. Let's read the word again. We. Great work! Now that we know the name and sound of many letters, we can blend the sounds of those letters together to read new words. When we read, we make the sound of each letter in order from left to right and slowly blend the sounds together. Let's read more words. Great job! Now let's blend the sounds quickly together to read the word. Crab. Let's read more words. Crib, frog, drop, crab plus drip. Great job! Let's read some sentences. The frog hops on the log. The crab is hot in the sun. Wow! You are becoming a great reader. Great job today! Let's review today's letter, sound and word one more time. Here are our letters for today. CR. And this is the sound that they make. Here is our word for today. We. Great work today. We hope to see you soon for our next lesson. If you like our free reading lessons, please support us. Subscribe for free and like us. Interested in supporting our free reading lessons? Visit here to support us. We greatly appreciate it. https://buymeacoffee.com/readingrescuers. Please visit www.readingrescuers.com to purchase great teacher and student reading t-shirts and digital letter flashcard.